Hi guys! Last week I showed you how to make this amazing side dish called Ajvar, and today I'm gonna show you how to turn it into a meal. We will make a delicious creamy Ajvar sauce. For those who haven't seen the Ajvar recipe, it will be linked below. For start, we will need a half of a leek. Cut it into half again lengthwise and thinly slice. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan and saute the leek. In the meantime, cook pasta of your choice according to the instructions on the package. We will need around 300 grams. Don't forget to add salt when the water starts boiling. 2 teaspoons should be enough. When the leek has softened, add 1 crushed garlic clove and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Now add 150 grams of Ajvar. Let it simmer for a few minutes until Ajvar darkens slightly. Now add 120 milliliters of heavy cream and bring the sauce to simmer while stirring occasionally. When the sauce is simmering, add 50 grams of parmesan. If you are vegan, you can use my recipe for vegan parmesan. It will be linked below. Season the sauce with a bit of salt and pepper. If you feel like the sauce is too thin, just let it simmer until it thickens enough to coat a spoon. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it and mix it with the sauce. Let's just sprinkle a bit more parmesan on top. And this is how you turn an amazing side dish into an even more amazing meal. And how about you? How do you use your favorite side dishes? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. See you later!